sleeping, camping out in decent tents in the Serengeti here in Tanzania. I tell you what's funny is I've got a packet of nuts here, right? Look at that, packet of nuts. And I was just getting up. It's about 6 AM, just getting up for breakfast, and there's either a mouse or a rat somewhere around here. I hope we can see it. It's somewhere around here. Where is it? See if it comes out. Because there's the nuts. It's just climbed on the bed after the nuts. Where could it be? Come out, rat. I just seen it crawling up there. And here's the nuts it's after. So yeah, no hyenas or lions, but a rat story from camping in the Serengeti. It's not daylight, so if you look outside you'll not actually see anything there. It's not quite daylight. So for breakfast I hide my nuts from these rats. Yeah, oh there it is, yeah. Can you see it there? There's the rat. It's a mouse actually, look. There it is. On the video. See it? There's a mouse after the nuts. It's just a one mouse, look at that. Inside the tent. Pretty amazing. Let's see if I can scare it. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! See, it's not scared at all. It's just after these nuts. See where it goes next. Field mouse, as I would call it. Safari mouse, there it is. It's in behind the pillow, you see. It can hear me, so it's scared. Hey boy! Hey boy! Hey boy! Classic. So I'll have to put the nuts out, otherwise it's going to stay in here for a long time. Just after that one packet of nuts.